So on this channel I teach people how to make money while they sleep, and today I will answer question. So if you have question, ask in comments and I will answer them in next video, so I don't need to answer everybody one by one, so you can learn. And this question is from Mickey on our eToro video, and he's basically asking because I mentioned that for stock market we use interactive brokers, and he wants to know how to fund different currencies, how to deposit different currencies, and then about dividends. So basically we were facing this problem because we are sending as investors quite a lot of money abroad, in euro, in US dollars, or in other currencies. And if we use traditional bank, we usually pay between 2 to 4% from the amount. And imagine that we are sending 100,000 or million, and you should lost like 2% or even 4%. And for us, this is not acceptable. So we need to solve it somehow. And basically this is one of the reasons why we use interactive brokers, because they have account in every currency and you can basically check it on their websites. I put this down. If you find on interactive brokers withdrawals, so here you have currencies they use, and for every currency, I'm back. So on the website you can check all the currencies, and the trick is they have a local account in every currency. So for example, for Swiss francs or for Czech crowns, they have local Czech account, and you can send it without fees and for free. If you have accounts also at home, like in euro or whatever, in ruble if you are Russian, so you can send it locally. So it's for you free domestic payment. Usually all the countries have it free. And don't forget to put a note to the transaction, as it's a number of your account. These accounts for the currencies you will find when you log in, not in the trading app, but if you log in on the website, here you can make like a note that you will deposit deposit money, and then you see all the numbers because you choose the currency. I cannot show you our account basically because there are money, and you will see the information we cannot public, but you will see there the number of accounts, name of the bank and everything. Then you just send there the money, and don't forget the notes. It's your number of account in interactive brokers, and basically then you will see it in the trading app in the, let's say, Swiss francs, and you just make simply forex operation for 2 US dollars, I guess it is, and you will just change it to whatever currency you want on the forex rates. So basically like this, for $2 we can change as much as we want just for $2 fee, which is much different than like 4,000 or 5,000 which we lost when we send it directly from bank to their account in euro. So this is the trick, little know-how. So thanks for that, comments, and yeah, basically this is it. And we don't do the notes because interactive brokers say that they want to note to deposit like in this app, but we don't do it, and they always deposit without problems the money. And so this is the trick, how you change on forex the money, or how you deposit the money to your broker for basically free without losing percentage from another currencies. And then dividends. The question was about Mickey, about dividends, how they tax them on interactive brokers, and if they show in local currency or... Okay, so basically the dividends, it's still the same question. You have some company, let's say company Apple, so you can know it. This is Apple, AAPL. This is Apple, and if they decide to pay dividends, they decide to pay some money, let's say $100 dividend, okay, to you as investor. What they need to do, and it's required by law in US, in Europe, it's I think 15% also in US. So they need to put 15% of taxes away. So you will end up in $85, okay? You will receive them on account. And if it's dollars or Mexican pesos, it's the currency that the bank is sending, okay? Then the company is sending you, Okay, so it's not about your base account on trading account. It's just the currency they decided. If Apple decide to pay it in Mexican pesos, you will receive Mexican pesos on your brokerage account. Brokers have no influence on this. No influence on taxes, nothing. There is one more thing, because for example we are in Europe and we have the same taxes like in US now. So we don't need to deal with it. But if you, for example, are in different country where the taxes are higher, so you can have like 22%, 20%. So then you need to pay the rest if you are there, okay? And if your domicile for taxes is somewhere where you need to pay, let's say, 20% tax on income from dividends, so when you receive the money, you need to pay the 5%. If you have the same rate, it's most of you guys, so you don't need to deal with it. You just put it in Europe, we need to put it to our paper with taxes, which we do every year. We need to put it to the column like income without taxation. There is a special column. It will be similar everywhere. If you are lower, if you tax like in Singapore or somewhere, you cannot ask the money back because it's taxed in US. It's a little bit different. I don't think I can ask our accountant department, but I think you cannot ask the difference back if your taxes is lower, because it's about US and then your country. So yeah, just if you should pay more, you will pay more, but I don't think you can save the money. So I hope I answer it. If you have other question, yeah, don't hesitate to ask under the videos, like us, comments, hit the bell, because we are a small channel. And I was thinking actually if I will make some videos that will have a lot of views, but they will be like stupid, like about Grant Cardone and then log and so on. We have them on channel. I will maybe continue with those playlists, but I mostly want to focus really pure on investment. It doesn't have so many like traction and views and likes and comments, but for me it's the topic I like, and I can share the knowledge which I gain in like 15 years as investor, and I'm okay with it. But I don't want to really review scammers and so on. It's not worth my time, but let me know in the comments what do you want to see on this channel, and ask question. I will answer them. So see you in the next video.